Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody's fine. This video is about how we converted our gazebo to this lovely greenhouse. So we used to have a gazebo here where we usually have our coffees, our snacks, or our midnight chats. Um, but because of COVID, we couldn't receive guests, so we turned it to a greenhouse. So that started on the start of the winter, and over time the roof of the gazebo got torn because of age or the wind. So I started thinking of building this. So yeah, this is the finished product. This video is about how we did this greenhouse. So we used this metal, they call this square tube. It's 1 by 2 inch and the thickness is 2 millimeter. So we cut it on the sides, put some holes in it, and then bent the sides so we can drill it to the wall. First I was thinking to build the greenhouse over the gazebo, but then I was afraid that I'm gonna damage most of the plants, so we had to move them out of here to the garage and remove the gazebo, the roof, and then put the beams on. And that's it. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to follow us on this build, because this is going to be maybe a 3 or 4 part video on how we created this greenhouse, and hope you like it. Peace.